Hi guys, this is Mia from Mima Design Laser Files, and I'm back with a new file and a new speed test. So at Christmas time I had these Christmas countdown with the Christmas trees that I speed tested, and they took 14 minutes, less than 14 minutes actually, to paint and assemble. This time I decided to use my new material. This is called Hardboard or Masonite. It's really strong and it's so easy to clean. So this might look disgusting. It is. I pulled it straight from the laser, but this is so easy to clean. Usually when I use plywood, I sand my spinners or countdowns or whatever I'm making and sand off all this residue. But for this, all you need is a wet cloth and you can wipe off all of this, which I'm thinking is faster than if I were to sand everything. So I have my timer ready here and I'm ready to time everything. So even though I might speed up the tutorial just a little, you'll still be able to see the time on the stopwatch. So I also poured out some acrylic paints because there's not a lot of painting for this, so I'll be color filling my engravings instead, which is also really easy to do with this material. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and I'll be forever grateful. And let's get started. So all you want to do is take your cloth and wipe off your residue. Easy peasy. So I love this material. It is so easy to work with. I dropped a link below on an Amazon link that I found. I wasn't really able to find the patterns like these, but I found some white and some regular brown hardboard or Masonite on Amazon. Otherwise, I think you should check out your local hardware store, Lowe's or shops like that. You might be able to find some there. But I'm actually done cleaning now, which took a minute. I did set my timer on sanding for a minute on the tree tutorial, but I actually think it was a little bit more than just 1 minute. So on to the color filling, which is really easy as well, because you just take your paint and you dab it inside the engraving. Like this. And once you have it inside the engraving, you can take your cloth again and you can wipe it off. Gold might not be the best color for this one, but look how easy that is. So I'll take black for the wheel. Oops. And make sure that it's pushed down to the entire engraving. And once again, you just take your cloth. And you could use baby wipes or wet wipes as well, but a wet cloth is just as easy. Let's just take this other side And that's the wheel. So let's add some gold on this front, just for fun's sake. And I actually don't think I have any need to speed up this tutorial, so you can see it in real time. But let's see. And I now have gold in this one. So to assemble, that's easy as well. You take your bagger and you place your wheel. I think I'll use this black one, sorry, like this. Then you just take a stapler and add some glue. And to make it dry a little faster, I'm also placing a few drops of super glue. Take your front. Oops. Line it and clamp it. Like this. I think I want a clamp more. And now we just wait for this one to dry and I can take the other one. So place the wheel, add the inner part, and you could glue this, but I do prefer to use my clamps because you want a little bit of distance between this inner part and the wheel. So once again, I'll add some glue. And I'll place my front. And I think I might want to color fill this with another color after I'm done shooting this video, but at least you know that this can be done in 7 minutes. And that's a little cheap because I still have to clamp this down. So that's actually it. Once they are dry, I think this might be because, whoops, I used the super glue. You take off the clamps and you go for a spin on the wheel. And it's ready to go. For this one, since it's for, let's stop this, 7 minutes and 43 seconds. So for this one, I would suggest that you either place, my staples was a little too long for this one, but place magnets or use some 3M tape. I think I'll just attach one of these when I deliver this to my customer. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.